Today we are doing Traeger smoked scallops right on the Ironwood 650.
One of the most surprising things about smoking scallops is that it only takes about 20 minutes until they're done. So the first thing that you do is you prep the scallops. So these were frozen scallops that were thawed overnight in the refrigerator. You could just use fresh scallops, and what you want to do is remove this little thing you see that we took off. It's called the foot. Okay, this is optional. You don't have to remove it, but we did for all of them. It usually is included, and it's actually this part of the scallop that attaches them to the shell to open and close it. So anyways, you just need to go ahead and season the scallops. These are sea scallops. They're the larger scallops versus something like bay scallops, which are really, really small, like the size of gumballs. These are more the size of marshmallows. So just season them with salt and pepper. This is about a pound of fresh or frozen scallops. And it was just a lovely day in Portland here. We've since moved to Dallas. I'm just getting to post this now because we're unpacking. But anyways, so what you do is when you preheat the Traeger grill, you preheat it with actually a cast iron skillet right inside. So that gets nice and hot as well. And then you go ahead and when it's all preheated for 15 minutes, all you have to do is add the scallops right into the cast iron skillet after it has that little olive oil in it. So they smoke at 450 degrees, which is a really high smoker temperature. I think the Traeger smoker grill, I don't know, that's pretty much one of the highest recipes that I've made so far. And these seafood smoker recipes are really simple to make. They usually are about this quick. You should also see my recipe for smoked these are smoked scallops. Smoked shrimp that are made on the Traeger as well. So anyways, after they're in there about 5 to 8 minutes, you go ahead and you flip them. All of this is done, they're smoking in there with the lid closed. You flip them and you cook them about another 5 minutes. You want each side to get about a little bit golden brown. And then you add in all of these delicious butter sauce ingredients like fresh garlic, obviously butter, some lemon juice, and that all gets in there and makes it super flavorful. This is how you fix pellets. See, it's quiet. That means that I need to kick it. Didn't work. Did not work. Oh, it worked. All right, anyways, so the whole lemon butter sauce for smoked scallops is in there cooking with them on the cast iron pan for about 5 minutes, and you can add in some fresh herbs like parsley, and you're ready to plate it up. These are officially done. Take them off the smoker. Some people do like 115 degrees Fahrenheit or 120 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you can rest them a couple minutes while you're serving them up on a plate, and they'll come up to like 125-ish, which is the perfect temperature for smoked scallops. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Print out the full thing at sipbitego.com. And until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!